welcome to my channel, and yes, it is time to do a Walgreens haul for you guys. Now, I said it was going to be a great week, and it is going to be a great week. I just didn't get the coupons that I wanted to get. My cat's right next to me. And I couldn't figure out, I was like up until like 10 o'clock last night trying to figure out more Walgreens deals for you guys. And I will be doing more Walgreens deals for you guys. I just needed to figure out a little bit more in advance. I usually don't prepare until the last week, and then I lost my sheet of paper that I wrote down for the deals to share with you guys. But I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, this is a deal for Sunday only. Sunday only. There is a coupon that I found on my app or online on the Walgreens website, and I just typed in 25% and this is what popped up. So there's a deal where you get 25% off any regular priced items. I probably could have looked for a little bit more stuff, but I'm just like, whatever. So these are $10.99 a piece. These are the Color Crave hair makeup. I don't know how well they do. I heard they kind of suck, but I can't complain, you know, for that. So these were $10.99 with that 25% deal. I did not use my employee discount. I paid these as normal because I don't know if that would have included the employee discount. So these were, again, $8.24 after that 25% discount. So you guys would pay $16.49 for these, but then you guys can submit a $10 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $6.49. That comes out to be like $3.25. So if you guys really want to do it, I wanted to share with you guys this in case you guys wanted to try this, but this deal is only good for Sunday only because it was good for all weekend. So yes. I ended up getting more Febreze. These were 2 for $6. I ended up using that buy one get one free coupon that we got in the it's already May already. I know it's crazy. The May P&G. So you guys would just get these for just $3 or $1.50 a piece. I don't know, like when I showed you guys that Glade thing, you get screwed. And one of you guys messaged me and said that, you know, you got screwed too. But hey, we're not going to complain. But another one said, you guys, that goes a long way. I don't know. I don't know how much you get screwed with these because they make it where you can't see through it at all. But I really like the Febreze. I like, you know, spraying my house whenever I can because not every time I can do candles. Now, this is something I was super excited about, and if you guys want gifts to give for like Mother's Day or Father's Day is coming up, or just any kind of holiday in the next like couple months, the Russell Stouffer's. Now, my store had different flavors. I got the milk chocolate because I do not like dark chocolate. I am not sure like all the flavors in here. I know it's dark chocolate, and this does expire July 1st, so gotta keep an eye on for this. But these are $3.99. We do have some $2 off of 2 coupons. I think we got those 2 weeks ago. You guys would just get both of these for $5.98. Now I got these because these would make great gifts to give for the Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Grandparents' Day. I don't know when. Oh, that's not until September. But I had to get these. I'm like, I'm really craving some chocolate, especially, you know, some caramel. So had to get these. My husband will end up finding. He's like, what flavors did you get? So I'm waiting for him to come down here and take the flavors from me because he likes to steal stuff. Now this is a great deal on the Lindsay Olives. I'm going to get probably Lindsay Olive Wasted. So these were 2 for $2. You guys want to print off a $1 off a 2 coupon that is on ilovelindsys.com. You sign up, they'll send you a coupon. I've tried, you guys can keep trying, even if you already have one, just sign up again, they might send it to you. So you guys would pay $1 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making this a $1 money maker. So I think that is a great deal. I hope you guys get olive wasted. You know, get olive wasted. And I don't know how fast that Ibotta deal is going to stay because that is a great deal this week at Walgreens. Now here is the deal that you guys want to do, and I hope you guys ordered extra coupons for it. It is the Colgate toothpaste. Now these are $3.99 a piece. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we just got in today's Smart Source. You guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these. And this is the deal where you guys can pay with points and you will still get points. So if you guys want to, you can buy 4 of these, use 4 $2 off coupons. You guys can pay like $8,000, or you guys can pay like 8,000 points, but you can't really do 8,000. You can do $10. So buy something else that's $2 more. And then you guys will end up getting 8,000 points back. So just letting you guys know, like, this is a great deal. I am planning on getting toothpaste wasted. So these end up becoming free. Just a 2-cent moneymaker. So yes, 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 yes. Okay, I got one more item to share with you guys. And this is the Benadryl Children's Benadryl. I ended up getting the allergy in cherry, and then I got the allergy plus congestion in grape. I've never gotten these before, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it because I have some people who need, you know, Benadryl. So these were $5.99 a piece. We got those dollar off coupons in today's paper. My coupons did not scan, but it was a correct product. She manufactured it in. So you guys would end up getting these for $9.98. But then you guys can submit $1 to Ibotta. So that comes out to be, you know, an extra rebate for Ibotta. And then you guys will also get 5,000 points for buying 2. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points back. So you guys would end up getting these for just $3.98. That comes out to be $2 a piece. So that is a great deal with a products like that. So that was my haul. I got not as much stuff as I wanted, but you guys, I'm going to probably go crazy on Tuesday. I'm just going to let you know my favorite cashier's not going to be working, but I'm probably going to go crazy wasted at Walgreens. So my first transaction was everything except the hair dye, was $15.99. I ended up getting $3 back with Ibotta. That was because of the Benadryl and then the Lindsay Olives. I ended up receiving 9,000 points. That was for the toothpaste and the Benadryl. So that transaction came out to be $3.99. Now I did use some of my registry rewards from last week. I used those $1.50 registry rewards, so that's why my out-of-pocket is a little bit cheaper. Plus I get an employee discount. I'm sorry, I just get an employee discount. It makes me help you guys a little bit more on getting more deals. My second transaction came to $13.48. I ended up using 2 of the $1.50 registry rewards, so that's how it was a little bit cheaper for me. But then I submitted my receipt, and I got $10 back. I literally submitted my receipt, and not even 1 second later, my phone told me that I got my money. So sometimes those Ibotta apps are super fast, and sometimes they take forever. Like one is pending, but the other 4 I have went by fine. So that comes out to be $3.48. I got 12 items altogether. That came out to be $7.47 for 12 items. That comes out to be 62 cents a piece. I would say that's an okay deal. I mean, how often can you get hair dye for 62 cents, especially stuff that colors your hair? I don't know how well this is going to do. I don't even know if I want to try it because I'm going to get highlights in my hair soon, but it says it washes out with shampoo. So I don't know, maybe someday when I have off I can be like, gonna try my hair. So we'll see. Maybe I can do a video showing you guys this stuff. I don't know. But yeah, that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but I plan on doing some more deals with you guys. There's a couple more things I had written down that I didn't do. I wanted more of those dial coupons, but I only had 2, and I had to use those at CVS because that deal was expiring today. But I will be definitely showing you guys some dial deals at Walgreens when I get my coupons. I had to order extra coupons. I will be getting Colgate wasted for you guys. And then I was kind of shopping around in the store because the new month started for the booklet. So make sure you guys grab a booklet. And I was just trying to find some more deals. They have a different deal on toothbrushes. So I was looking at that, but it was not good enough, but I'm going to have a feeling there's probably going to be a better deal in the future for the toothbrushes. I was looking at the prices for the Garnier Fructis, or the Garnier like skincare, but they didn't have everything marked, so I'm probably going to look for some ideas on that. And I was just trying to get some ideas to share with you guys, so future deals, because some of that stuff's all month long deals, so be prepared. I'm going to try to find you guys more deals, but yes, that was my haul. That's my little chit chat for you guys. If you guys enjoyed that video, or this video that you're watching right now, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I am off on Tuesday, so I will probably get my haul started early on Tuesday so I can share with you guys deals a lot sooner. But yes, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all Tuesday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.